Hey you guys, what is up? Is Leo coming at you, and if you notice someone next to me, this is Nick. Nick
Hi,
is,
you guys.
Yay!
I'm so excited to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me to your video.
Yes! Okay guys, so the reason why I wanted to invite Nick is because he is one of the first person I've met at an agency. Or just a place English club.
English club.
Yeah, and I noticed that Nick speaks English very well, so I invited him today so he can share with you. But first off, if you haven't had a chance yet, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so that you do not miss any further videos, because I'm gonna have so much more videos to help with you with your English.
Yes.
Okay, so are you ready, Nick?
Yes, I'm so ready.
Okay, he's so ready. Are you guys ready? Let's get
Yes.
going. Okay. All right. So I'm going to have a few questions and Nick is going to answer them. And I know that he is going to help you guys so much so that you guys don't keep wasting time. Okay. Going into 2021, are you ready? Right? Do you feel like you are ready to, go to the next level in terms of your English too, Nick, for 2021?
Yes.
Yeah. It's time to plan.
Goal. Yeah, it's my goal.
Right? Yeah. If that's next goal, I know my Vietnamese is going to improve and my Cantonese, right?
Yes.
So I want you guys to also start focusing on your 2021 goals, okay?
Yes.
So first question I'm going to ask Nick is, what were 3 mistakes that he made when he first started learning English?
Okay, that's a really good question.
Yeah.
Because I think in Vietnam, lots of students have these mistakes when they first study English. First one is pronunciation. The second one is grammar, basic grammar, and speak too fast. When actually most of Vietnamese students, they started learning English when they was in primary school.
What?
Yes.
Wow.
And the teacher taught so much grammar and they didn't focus on speaking at all.
Wow.
And
At all?
Yeah, at all. That's why when I was in high school or at the first or second year in college, I couldn't speak English.
Oh my gosh.
At all any words.
It's crazy.
And I started, I started learning English seriously when I was in the 3rd year student in college.
My
and
gosh.
The first thing my teacher taught me that is pronunciation. And I felt excited and I said, thank God there is another way to study English. And you guys know I studied days and nights to catch up my friends because I got nothing. And when I study pronunciation, and I felt so confident when I speak English.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the second one is grammar. I think we don't need to focus on grammar so much. Because it doesn't help to speak English fluently. But we should have a basic grammar because we want to speak English correctly and attract other people to listen our presentation.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and the last mistake I usually made when I first spoke in English, that is speaking too fast. Because I think it's really cool when we speak fast, but actually it's not. Because when we speak English fast, we will get lots of mistakes. And you guys try when you speak slowly. You have time to think about what you say next, and also it's time you have time to correct your pronunciation and grammar.
Absolutely. Wow.
Those 3 mistakes I had made when I first studied English, and I wish you guys won't have those anymore.
That's really good. Thank you for sharing, Nick. I feel like these are very valuable, and I'm sure that they're gonna look at themselves and say, you know what? I do speak a little bit fast, or I am, always focusing. I never care about pronunciation. Who gives a rip, right? I'm just gonna swallow my words or glide over my words as long as I get the words out. Right? But you want to speak clearly.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So thank you for
Yeah,
sharing.
clearly. Speak
Clearly.
slowly and clear.
Yeah.
It's really important.
Right. And no one's gonna rush you.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
You don't be hurry.
Yeah. And the other question, Nick, is I know you've been teaching English for a while.
Yes.
You've been working at, this the club, English club. So what are some of the common mistakes that you see on a weekly basis as students practice here?
Yes, I've been teaching English for more than 3 years.
Okay.
I met lots of students.
Yeah.
But yes, and they as I share with you, 3 mistakes I made, and I think my students had those mistakes too.
Right.
They don't really focus on pronunciation.
Yeah.
They speak too fast, or they don't care about the basic grammar. You need to care about the basic grammar.
Yeah.
And 2 more mistakes is they really scared of making mistakes.
Yeah.
So sometimes I have to force my students to speak because they think when they speak they will get mistakes and they scared of that.
Right.
But don't be afraid of making mistakes because
Right.
we will learn and we will get better from mistakes.
Yeah.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Wow, that's so good. Yeah.
And second one, don't be shy when you speak English. Because when you feel shy,
Yeah.
you are getting yourself away from successful.
Yeah.
I think try your best, be confident.
Yes.
And I'm sure you will speak English well. in the future.
Yes! That's beautiful, Nick. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Yeah, for
You're
sharing
welcome.
from the heart
Yeah.
and sharing everything in a very easy manner to understand. So I believe you guys, if you could just, sit down, write down some of the things that Nick just mentioned, right? And really think, okay, this year, what am I going to focus on? Especially first 3 months, right? January, February, March. What am I going to change? What am I going to stop doing? Right? And I love how Nick says, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes.
I think anybody who learns a foreign language, even Vietnamese or Chinese or Burmese or people that are in America, right? They just come and they are afraid to speak to foreigners,
Yes.
speak to white people or, Black Americans, right? But if you keep feeling, oh, I'm scared, this and that, they'll never improve.
Yes.
Is that right, Nick?
It's true.
Yeah.
It's totally true.
Yeah, like all the words is just stuck here and here.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So, if Nick can do it, right, and I can improve my Vietnamese, especially in the past 10 months, which I'm so grateful. And my goal next year is I'm improving my Chinese even more, right? And I know, Nick, can you share maybe a goal that you have for your English speaking skills next year?
I want to speak English like native speaker.
Yes.
I know it's hard, but with me, I never think it's hard.
Wow.
In my dictionary, I think I always say it's easy, and I try my best, and I can do it.
Yes.
Yes.
If Nick can do it, if I
You
can do
can
it,
do it.
you
You
can
can
do
do
it. Yay! All right, guys, it was nice talking to you guys today. I hope you guys like our chat, and let me know if you guys want more chats like this. Comment below and let me know so we can do more videos for you guys. Especially when I go back to USA, I'm telling you, we're gonna have a lot more guests like Nick. Okay, so thank you again, Nick.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time.
You're
Cảm
welcome.
ơn em rất nhiều.
Thank you.
All right, guys, over and out from Đà Nẵng.
Goodbye.